going on, everybody, and welcome back to another Jeep video. In today's video, it's going to be a quick little maintenance video on my Adams drive shafts. Back in September of last year, when I did my Rubicon axle swap, I also swapped out my front and rear drive shafts for the Adams Extreme Duty 1350. They have the non-greasable joints, so there's only a few spots on these drive shafts that you have to grease. And in order to do so, you're going to need some specific tools. One being a grease gun, obviously filled with automotive grease. Two is you're going to need a Zerk fitting adapter. So I have this one, which I purchased off Amazon, and it just basically screws right on the end of your grease gun. And the other item that you're going to need is this special adapter for your grease gun. It's called a Garbine tip, and there is a special fitting in the rear axle shaft that you're going to use this to be able to grease. So basically what I'm going to do is go under the Jeep, show you the 3 spots where you're going to use the regular Zerk fitting. We're going to grease those. I'm going to then swap this out on my grease gun and then grease the one spot that you need this, and that's basically how you perform your maintenance on your drive shafts. So the reason why I am doing this now is I'm coming up on oil change time, so I'll probably be doing my oil change tomorrow. So today I'm just doing this quick little video on drive shaft maintenance. This isn't the first time that I've greased my drive shafts, but it's the first time that I'm making a video. So I think I'm about 6,000 miles, so I've been doing every 3,000 miles I've been greasing my drive shafts. Alright, so let's head under the Jeep. I will show you the spots to grease. It's pretty simple, and that's about it. Alright, let's go. Alright, what's going on, everybody? So this is the rear drive shaft, and this is the slip yoke. So there is a Zerk fitting right here, and there's one down here, so we're going to grease those 2 spots. And if we look on the front drive shaft, there is only one, and that's on the front slip yoke, and that's right there. So we're going to grease that. Alright, so it takes about 3 or 4 pumps on each one. Good, so we got that. So we're gonna head over to the front slip yoke. So the one thing you're going to have to do is you're going to probably have to rotate or pull forward or reverse your Jeep until you actually find it. So basically it's that little pinhole all the way in there. I don't know if you can really see it that well. I'll try to point an arrow to it in the video, but that's where the pin is going to go. And if you can see here, I'm going to try and line it up. So right there, and that's where we're going to grease. So it's definitely a tight spot that you need this fitting for. So we'll grease that, and then we're basically done. Alright, so that was a quick and easy maintenance video of the Adams Driveshafts. As I stated before, I have the Extreme Duty 1350 with the non-greasable U-joints. And if you go on Adams Driveshafts website, they don't recommend getting the greasable U-joints just because they say they're hollow, and they just recommend the sealed U-joints. So that's what I have. Also, the things I will link down below to the lube and lock. That's the Zerk fitting that I used on my grease gun, and then I will also link to the carding Zerk fitting needle adapter that you're going to need as well. And you can use these for multiple applications anywhere that has that pin fitting Zerk. This grease gun I just picked up at my local AutoZone, so they're not expensive. They're like anywhere from 10 to 20 bucks. I'll also link to Adams Driveshafts and to the Extreme Duty 1350 that I have. Alright, so I'm off to the auto store. I'm going to get my supplies to do my oil change, and then I'm going to do that probably tomorrow morning when I get home from work. Alright, so thanks again for watching this video. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that thumbs up if this video helped you out, and share it with any of your friends or family. Thanks again for watching, and to all our new subscribers, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video.